20歲，從細到高雄態。好是20歲嘅我，會寫定兩種立場，讓大家共下發光20歲嘅美。每擺都會有無共專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋共下講，共下聊聊下嘅想法。北京母豬打開耳光，聊到藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想唔到嘅事情呢？在練習嘅旅程中，來兩位翻越萬水千山來到台灣嘅外國朋友，在佢哋國家嘅寒天，聽講就像住在冰宮底度，還可能冇一條阿公嘅招牌。佢兩三個名動口用，卻又動不口用，我就先唔會老唔講，本佢哋由音樂自我介紹吧。
Like I was in paradise. OK， 今晡日我哋來到兩個蘿蔔，有兩個朋友同我共合。第一位係 Daniel，so Daniel。第二位係 Daniel。Alright. Oh my God, I got messed up. But I need you to introduce yourself a little bit more to me.
Okay, we're a duo from the north of Sweden. We have been playing traditional music from our part of Sweden for quite some years now. But then we also now we're making like composing new music, but inspired by the tradition. So we play both old tunes and.
So you're a folk musician.
Yeah.
So 佢哋係民俗嘅音樂家 from 瑞典來嘅。So later on, I'm gonna bring you to meet a little bit of Hakka folk musician culture. So we're gonna meet a couple of musicians. And now, before we start our journey, I'm gonna need you to play a little bit of like those Swedish melodies for me.
Of course.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what song would you play?
This is a tune. It's called The Butterfly.
The Butterflies.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.客家青創有嘅信仰。今晡日，我哋愛到北台灣千餘規模老鐵社嘅新埔義民廟出發，為兩種里程祈求平安。And this is like, we call it Jingwu, and people when they do their prayers, they just put this is called Xiang. Xiang, they put it like that. Yes. You can take a look around if you want.
It's beautiful.
Yes. And you see this one is like so gigantic.
Oh, they have a big one.
Swedes are not so religious. It's quite a secular country right now, but traditionally we are Lutherans, Protestant Lutherans, and it's the same thing that the town were built around the churches, very much so.
And in the villages around, like the small prayer houses.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna ask about. Are you having some confusion in your mind?
No.
No, you're perfectly fine. But we can still ask about something you want.
Yeah, there's so.
All right. So
There's always some confusion.
Yeah.
you have some. Okay, let's do it. You pick one stick.
We take a stick. Okay.
Take a stick.
This one is the best one.
And woo! You can take one of these. So we're gonna ask. This is for you. I'll pick mine. Right, so I'm gonna explain to you later. So you ask whether this is your stick or not.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can do it, and then you just drop it,
Yeah.
and I'll explain to you later.
用跌高像是你简单问题，也系传统信用嘅力量。我哋跌嚟尾半点钟，就会跌唔满3集。上面啊，总系猜我会成功嘅时间笑咗出来。一开始我很想 Daniels 嘅英文会通冇，行动笑嘅，看来我切价也报唔到切价，一啲咧都冇卡顺利。
要给 Daniel got 拿到一个签，来，然后要给 Daniel 马该多么 ？So sad. Even though I'm desperate now, I'm gonna help you find your fortune.
Good.
Okay. Go over there. Can I take her stick?
Yeah, so we find this.
It's like this.
It's like this.
Like this.
I'm holding it wrong.
No, but it's okay. You just 他得到
Okay.
乙亥，乙亥 Can you see? Yes.
It's this one.
Yes.
Okay.
对，这就是 Daniel 拿到的钱，然后因为我唔知佢下个黑马该鼓手，我会问庙里面的人。Okay.
Okay.
I suck in Hakka, but I'm gonna help you find the explanation.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do that.
Over there. Well, the translation. 我想要抢高我讲，也个钱，迄嘛个意思。抢，迄嘛个意思。抢。哦。So I just pronounced it wrong, and he taught me how to say it.
那个一年的比喻啊，保佑大家啊，我们这个啊
Everybody?
在我们这边开设的活动啊，是说非常的长顺利。
Okay, so now I'm like a little bit relaxed because he said every one of us, the crew, you guys and me, everything's gonna be fine, perfect.
虽然啊，总系产出1嘅身高，不过啊，谈到苗峰泰国借钱嘅内容，对到两位 Daniels 老了推翻拜访下家银行员嘅立场，啊，安心多诶。因为移民也嘅假词，我哋来到苗后坊嘅花园拜访天一位太师，系在下家音乐有青葱有 TV 嘅节目正欣赏哦。
So take your seat. I'm gonna introduce you to Chi Xing Sang, his name. You can call him Chi Xing Sang. Chi Xing Sang, hello.
你好，大家好。
你做这老眼就讲那个应用版做还是
哦，有我潛學呀，
青货？
潛卡卡，
是椰子壳
後
吗？
尾卡卡叫一賽，
是椰子壳吗？
椰子殼對。
Oh, so this is
这
coconut
个是除
crust.
可以讲大仙了。那个高福哦，真正的高福是好像竹筒一样啊，不一样
哦
哎。
所以这个不是正统的哦，
这个是传统的，不是正统的。
传统的。
以前传统的东西。
然后你说那个竹子的是什么？
竹子的竹筒就是后来发明的。
哦，你知道在匈牙利有2个弦，吼。
好厉害啊！
那内外是怎么
哎，
分？
这是内
You
啊，
can
这
touch
个
it
是
if
外
you。want.
哎，这个是
你
内。
都说的
内线、外线，这个。
内线，so this is the inner string.
外线比较小条，
哦
内线比较大条，大条的是母的。
，oh, the female one.
这个外线是公的，
哦，male, female.
刚的。
Can we hear the tuning?
Are they tuned different?
那个音调有什么不一样？
哦，手雷啊，
手嘞？
讲话就手雷啊，这个是手，这
哦
个雷啊。
，sorry. 可以，你可以再拉一次吗？空弦的时候。
哦，
I asked him to play one.
要换种还是问这个？
就空弦的手嘞。
我跟上位教师拿佛教啊，问下师傅啊，师傅都不能讲用我念的， 伊要吹给我听啊，要喷我糖啊，哦，因为做福建的花草啊，福建的半挑啊，古代人啊，糖，糖都就是变成你的了。
两下俺就完全没有串好，然后那个瑞典跟 Daniels 还有欣赏，佢就会用他那个 play 一个 song。
哦。
Okay.
Alright.
你磨糖罐你要请我糖用啊？我糖来食，另外一方面都是糖唔食，另一方面哦，糖来食来讲佢搞出来的东西。你算真正咧，唔是夹到，你按挨嘛解，其实要按碰接啦。凊彩都碰夹声啦，唔会讲唔行东二行西样，嗰都唔会夹。有就我一个人算清楚。
It's really great because that means that it's like the high pitch and like the low low, so it's like
侧着绕，很多绕。
Okay, so now you got another instrument, right?
yeah.
Flute.
I can
那个欣赏，你的笛子。
笛子。
Oh, I caught it. Oh, his flute.
Oh, you also have plastic. Perfect. Fantastic.
欣赏你家里，
Oh,
这个
你去哪都 OK 哦。
哎嘿嘿。
You made it himself.
oh yeah. Wow.
Wow.
It's also from.
Oh, it's this one.
Ah, wonderful. Yes.
这个做社会是意思讲，第八下唔会逼啊，啊标叫啊打到水啊，唔会讲走上啊，像不像我做过这种东西啊？你家做满天都进天人做啊，拿到塑胶机啊插空啊，有到插到一空唔会响啊，我一响就讲响唔会响啊。你要解多少理顺，唔要讲按真就空出好啊，唔好。
Another improvising. Oh, how did you do that?
专家就系专家，唔是讲好也做得互相配合。原上啊，咱就系人跟人嘅默契。吴正先生啊，除咗系客家音乐大师，亦还有一个千里会嘅绝技哦。
欣赏两下，因为老技术面好。好。I need your hand. Male with your right, left. I mean, female with your left. Right. Okay, so I need your left hand. Okay.
你要跟他整是几岁？
I need your age but with lunar calendar.
Yeah.
So actually, 我们其实作弊了一下 so it's 38.
Yeah.
Okay, so you both have 38. And it's 马. So you're
是马吗？
是马。
确定马吗？
确定。
哦。大概你样再翻起来哈，翻起来是什么？准确，很忠直的意思。
Oh.
很忠
It
厚。
means like you're like a
忠
very
良这个意思。
person who's like with really sturdiness and how do you say it? It's so hard. Like
第二哈，你要听到，第二他的名字很聪明，
很聪明，
学东西很快。
You learn fast.
他每一次做事情哈，都很照那个讲不到做不到的。
Oh, he said you're a man who keep your words. Yes, that's true. Okay, that's good.
提拔在外國村面，佢條真人動聽也當好奇。看到木正先生用水一名，就留佢條嘅個性名嘅清清楚楚，真嘅很準誒。
Okay, so Daniel, what do you think of your fortunes?
This was interesting. Yeah, quite interesting. Yeah.
Are you like you're gonna have to be careful?
I will be careful.
他会有很多小人。Okay, so now we have to say our thanks to Qi-Qing-Sang. So how do you pick? We taught you, right? How do you do it? Something red?
Yeah.
Something red. Okay. 平常记得他会捞那个风包滚你。
哦
So you hand it. Yes. Right here.
拍水拍水。
没有没有。So you say, and to say it's like thank you.
Okay.
Oh, 祝你事事如意哈，万事百岁长命哦。
You know, 事事如意 is like this persimmon. It's called 柿子 in Chinese. We call it 柿子. And what he wished was like 事事如意, 柿子, 事事如意. It's like everything goes on really well, smoothly. So we can have a little bite of persimmon. Take one.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
yes.
you. Okay.
平常那个滚你的。
哦，拍水拍水。
Later on, we're gonna make dry persimmon.
Okay.
And it's like totally different from how this looks.
Yeah.
You see, we're gonna mash it, and it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
I know. And
Great.
yes, enjoy your meal, and then later on we'll be making it.
Perfect.
虽然目前欣赏送的东西的刺诶，上到啊新竹两边的刺饼是用9公分传出来的，拄拄好啊就迄两个时间，当然会帮我机会，夹掉落去体验一下。来到这刺饼的农家门口。 看到老婆婆堂排队的一盘盘金黄色的刺诶，发面啊是菜冻酱。
你好，欢迎，欢迎，欢迎。
我用版開始喏。
呀呀，你大部分係皮大概有700分，分小概是哈，当做的都是这样。
How long does it take?
差不多它做成柿饼的时间差不多要7天到9天时间。
7 to 9 days。有很多种的某共用的吃饼係嗎？
有三个品种，目前有3个品
There
种。
are 3 types。
有一个叫做牛心柿，它就很像那个牛，它的大颗，它的心脏这样子，那个叫做牛心柿，哎，
好，然后 T 2種
叫石柿，
石柿，
哎对。
石頭的石。
对，它就是它的意思，就是说像石头一样，比较硬。
哦。
哎，它就是吃起来它的口感会比较
脆脆的。
比较 Q。
第3種。
第3種它会有一个长长的，好像那个毛笔头。哎，那个我们叫做笔柿。
哦 ，OK。那2個到現在是什麼程序啊？
这个是第2天了，第2天我们现在跟它移動地方。
移動地方。
哎
so
對
it's been like exposed to the sun for the 2nd day. These.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Not exactly something the same, but I think you can kind of recognize that slow process of making food, and you know the love they put into making these. You know, this guy, when he speaks about it, it's really, you can't rush this. You have to do every step every day very carefully.
Yeah.
So it's like, yeah.
And that kind of food is very popular in Sweden now, like things that are homegrown and that you make yourself and stuff like that. So this would be very successful at home.
Yeah.
Hey, hi. So we're now gonna massage our persimmons. 條間然後講嗌到
哎，这个第3天呢，我们就开始第一次碾压，叫做
Okay. First massage. Okay. 開始。
这个大拇指在上面，嘿嘿。
Your thumb on the top.
哎，压差不多觉得它会爆开，我们就要停。
What if it actually explodes?
他说看，如果你真的那个爆开怎么办？
那个就比较不好看，一样
Also,
可以吃。
it doesn't look good, but I think you can still eat it. Okay. Okay.
So is this like enough?
哎，对，
tried it.
I only massaged people before. Now I have massaged fruit, so that's something new.
You can write it in your
Yeah, in my
CV.
CV. Yeah, I'm a fruit massage therapist. Yeah.
So is this okay squeeze? Do I am over squeezing it?
너 기분이 안用的
Or under?
Okay, okay.
It's okay.
OK。做了四饼的行业哈，头哥啊，佢講將來把個事業哈，唔係講嘅你皮削開了是變四餅，而些看都應該做哈，該肯定是碰啦。如果是碰到該落水田哈，該大部分是冇賺到錢，全部了錢，非常辛苦是錯啦。過年哈，頭哥係些老人家，些將來你拿出去曬哈，老人家全部是按一盤掉出去掉落來樣。個人講，沒辦法啦哈，時常會做點茶，咩嗰啲少下就送下到十個盤按住當夾咧。你係講做四餅哈，等於鬧嘅時間是可以好熱，咁我看年。
奶灯已经滴了1个月了，所以这是我们的成品。We smell because we've been working for so long. Right， 老板，两下奶灯就嚟試看哪個奶燈做個四餅。
四餅可以啦。
四餅 OK。
兩種啊，那四餅。
四餅。
然後那四乾。
四乾。
這個就是不泡水的水式。直接。
Oh, this is not the one we ate.
要泡水。
This is the one with the water. Okay, let's try.
Can you try it?
Try it.
It's been in water for a long time. And then
5 days. 5 天。
5天。
Yes, 5 days.
5天到6天。
Ah,
Oh, it's crunchy. Wow.
crunchy feeling.
I thought they would be mushy.
Yeah.
So he's a man of his word. He promised it's gonna be crispy, and it is.
It's great. Perfect.
And you usually have them with tea. That's
他说平常也会配茶喝嘛。
配茶有。
You
都
just
是饼。
drink with anything you want because these are just like snacks. So you can
Yeah.
like if you have friends who visit you, you just take out and then you just enjoy the time. Yes.
I love this.
I think it was interesting that because we have a lot of dried fruit in Sweden, we will like dry different kinds of fruit, and we will also buy dried fruit, like dried mango and stuff from the stores, and it's always very, very sweet. Like, and we will use it. We will actually use dried fruit for breakfast in our cereals, right? You know, put it in there. So, and it's very, very sweet. And the good thing with this, I think, was that it was like it tasted more like fruit. Really.
Yeah. Not
That
too
was-
sweet.
yeah,
I don't
perfect.
like it when it's
No,
too sweet.
I
So this
agree.
was great. And with the combination with the tea was perfect, I think. Perfect snack for tea. Yeah.
How do you say cheers in Swedish?
Skål.
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 Skål. Okay, let's finish it. It's a long day.
雖然我哋冇熱條出來就落田，不過熱條落山我哋就吃困咧。接下來，我哋來到順浦嘅米諾，來拜訪一位我哋敬仰嘅音樂家。唔知 Daniels 會留兩位神秘嘉賓，擦出乜嘅火聲？
Hello，嗨。
哦，你在稱什麼呀？沒？
骨竹筍咧，咩雜竹筍咧？
哇，高興。
骨竹筍咧。Hello，nice to meet you。
This is Vietnam. Hi. Oh, be careful. Be careful. So, hello. You too. His mother. Hello. They're picking up bamboo shoots. Yes. 你嗌人做嚟試試看冇？
我剛喺銀碼教你啦。嗰啲啊。
Okay. The mother is teaching us how to cut it off.
Oh, okay. Can you do some of that one?
你明天都會嚟啲 pencil。
木木。
你唔會哦。哦，厲害哦 ！Wonderful job. How are you doing, Daniel?
喺澳洲啲麻辣乜嚟？
Oh!
Okay.
Oh! Yay! Show it to the camera. Yay! Big one.
Cool. It was really cool to be in like a bamboo. It wasn't, bamboo
Yeah.
forest, the plantation. Yeah, to see all these bamboos. It's really,
Yeah.
it's the thing you see in Asian movies.
Yeah.
You know, a bamboo forest. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was really cool to.
And what a skill from this old lady to pick it up and just
Yeah.
peel it and all the things. It was quite impressive. It was
No.
very hard.
She was just squatting, getting easy down there and just. So she was really cool.
Yeah, it was. And then she cooked it so well
Yeah.
also. What a wonderful.
阿婆感觉他会对我们的那个炖的手马盖。你都说啊，很毛哦。Oh, I got all the
Yeah,
hair.
it's like fiber, like that
That
fiber.
fiber. So she's showing us how to get rid of the crust.
Yeah, we're peeling it.
Yes, on the back. Oh.
Like an onion.
It's like an onion.
像我们就是这样啊，削了削，这样就很好吃。
可以都在水给只有一点点超毛。
Yeah. Oh, that is the bamboo. Right.
Careful with your knife. Okay, you it.
Should I eat this? Right now?
Right now?
Really?
Yes.
Yeah,
You can try it.
you can do it.
Yeah.
Like the white thing.
No, you can just eat it, the whole
The
thing.
whole thing?
Yes.
Okay. Thank
I
you.
won't.
Are you are messing with us? So bad?
How does it taste? Can I have a little piece?
แล้วขั้นเสร็จโลแล้วค่ะแล้วก็เอาไปปอกให้แม่
Oh, okay. It's so bitter.
把它 after 这煮过以后就不会比较不。
Eh.
小朋友唔好好哦，竹笋含迄点阿妹煮糕的装饰较好食。天数先生的阿妹割太竹笋，我哋天天期转到佢喺屋卡，准备來從印度人嘅交流。
It's so harmonious. You want to add a little bit?
很些时间，俺们路卡都有这种俺们黑胶的唱盘，这样俺们都有啲弹音樂噶。俺開始學樂器都啲高中嘅時節，都我嘅同學會彈吉他，啊我都每日講我讓我彈，伊都教我彈。咁到啲高中1年生嘅暑假開始彈，即係學吉他。
Great, but very easy guy to play with. Yeah. It was very, the connection was there. Really, so it was.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
What was the song?
Well, people used to say that people say that music comes from different parts of the world and they use different instruments and all that. But what I feel like is you can not only speak with your instrument but also express the true feeling from where you come from. I don't know why, but that mixture was I don't know what to say. And I even forgot to introduce you this instrument. 请弹那个乐器是乐器. So it has a really beautiful name. It's called 乐器 in Chinese, but the English translation would be the moon guitar.
Maybe.
Moon guitar, I would say.
Full moon.
Yeah, full moon.
Yeah, like a full moon.
Like a full moon.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
Fantastic. Great. I'm very interested in this tuning. You will have to tell me later how you tune it.
Oh, it's basically it's E, B, E, E, B.
Yeah.
Actually, it's from the traditional tuning. Actually, the moon guitar is from the southeast part of Taiwan. It's called the Kengchun. It's a folk song.
Kengchun is in Pingdong.
Yeah, in Pingdong. And we call it the Kengchun folk song, Kengchun 民谣 folk song. Yeah, it's different, but Taiwan is the island is not so big, very small. So the culture actually
Mix. They
mix so much. Yeah,
They blend.
mix so-
They blend.
看佢哋認真嘅研究對方嘅樂器，我發現樂器對音樂人來講，根本就係佢哋嘅家拿貨啊！等一下，大概耳講來享受了澎湃嘅音樂體驗。
大部分客家嘅傳統嘅歌謠地方講嗰度情歌，最主要以前會唱山歌嘅人吼，大部分個曲嘅狀態，個曲嗰度唱嘅，比如講人家做條背，以前都冇水啊、旱天、種番薯嘅，嗰時候人家做條背3萬多啊年嘅，我會唱山歌嘅啊。一開始嘅時間，我剛剛講，那個歌詞地方因為冇跟勞動有個太關係咧，比如講係種人咧，有跟人咧有關咧。哦，安古嘅也係講啊，要做山咧跟山有關咧，唔係，人哋想法都講啊，我第一做咗那條山，做到那條辛苦嘅4個時間，我一天內離開，一離開那條個苦嘅那個情景，咁所以唱情歌啊，唔唱本身邊嘅小妹湯啊，打情罵俏，唔會記唔得我哋下做嘅工作，個辛苦啊。
音樂體驗，接下來就會來自阿婆嘅客家體驗咯。
And I think her sort of the way she cooked it, it was also very similar to like how old women have cooked like in Sweden for centuries, like very organized and like you would, it was clear that it was her, that was sort of her realm. She was very good at it. Yeah.
Hello. Oh, it's 9点钟，大概就50钟，然后就还有，I said like we're really blessed. We have to do nothing, and then there's a table full of dinner. Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
Okay, are you started?
Okay.
Okay. Begin. Which one is the? Yeah, that is the bamboo. Okay. 大概就係我哋 key 我又忘記講韓文怎麼講。骨竹筍嚟嘅。骨竹筍嘅，竹筍。OK。 Who cooked this?
Arvin said that.
Oh, I got you.
We just help.
Helped out a little bit. 安子生，董后生。
规组的澎湃客家菜，本爱后兰水景流。尤其掠起家显国显著的竹笋，有黏黏的家乡味，本爱加湿了两碗饭，很细晒的。有一种青菜的传统动作看到，不过经过佢上嘅地方，你可能會留到係應該唔同。下一擺來到美濃，詳細嘅看唔同度，看到乜嘅新鮮野味。
Daniels, I know you are vegetarian,
This is true.
and I know you cook a lot, right? Back
Yeah.
in Sweden.
Yeah, we like
Do you?
Yep.
You cook?
I cook.
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday we picked the bamboo shoots, right? So right now I'm gonna bring you to pick up another vegetable.
Yep.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
And you know it's so hot here right now.
It is.
So let's get in the water.
Yeah, we should have a bath.
We should have a bath, a sauna actually. The heat and
Yeah, it could
the
be like a sauna.
yeah, the heat and the water.
Yeah.
阿亮哥，你好，你好。我在两位朋友来听，然后你要教我们怎么在水莲，
好啊，好
好
啊，没问题。
因为真的很热，我连都想会那个进去水里面，
好，可以啊，有青蛙装。
青蛙装。
哎，
So we should put on the frog costume,
Yes.
and then we jump into the pound.
Smågrodorna.
What is that?
There's a very famous Swedish song called Smågrodorna.
Okay.
Means
Later on
little,
you should sing
means
for
the
us.
little frogs. Yeah.
好，so 俩哈你就要带我们下去，让
好啊，
我们
没问题啊，
看一下
来啊。
I didn't like me.
再告诉你。
Okay. I'm not gonna help you. I gotta save myself.
Yeah, sure.
Hold on to something. Yep, it's slippery.
Yeah, you can go down this way.
Okay. I went there.
So don't.
Do you need help?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, help me.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, the
Now it
temperature.
feels like we're going diving.
Yeah. Woo.
小心，小心。
阿亮哥，这个好可怕，你看。
好可怕，不会啊。这么热的天气，泡到前面很凉快啊。
我房东啊，你就是自己有点冲网，
好，
然后你就是夏天的时候会来水不要停，开始。
这样高。
So do you like just take dive at the end of the day and just
他
wash
说
off?，
你一年工作结束的时候，你就直接去
游泳会，
真的
会。
Great.
哦，你可以，
Yeah,
你可以。
perfect.
哦，好，两哈奶奶就来开一点，好不好？
好啊，好啊。
好啊。
那我把一些给你看。
好，OK。
The what?
The Bonnie。
The bond. Yeah, very.
这就是野莲。
Team building. Okay.
哦。
那我们拔都是铃铛拔起来。
OK。奶奶会做马干啊？
我可以拔给你们，把叶子去掉。
好。Okay, he's picking it up for us, and then we'll just.
因为穿青蛙装也会在田里面工作，就是负责把那个根跟叶子去掉。
Okay, so we picked out the leaves and the stems for them. Hey, 昨天老奶就會用哦，奶條它有看到你們說，哎呦，
对，这样直接拉出来，它的叶子就会被扯掉，这个比较省。然后这个多余的要把它去掉。
So he mentioned that
I
action.
broke it first.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
So he mentioned like
But
the
it was just it.
action of scrolling his waist is just like washing it so that
All
it
right.
gets
Oh, so you
faster.
can
像这样就很干净。
Sorry.
We don't grow stuff in water.
Yeah, not-
We pick up fish, but not.
That with our hands.
No, not with our
No.
hands.
No. Well, I picked like, shells and things when snorkelings and stuff like that, but nothing that you sort of, not in Sweden, something that you would plant in that way. We don't have that.
So he's
把野莲丢进池塘里面。
就按钮。Okay, this is quite easy, I think.
Yeah, we can do this. I feel quite confident.
We still can do this.
Yes, you can do it.
Okay. 那我们就要进去吗？
对啊，爬上去嘛。
Okay, so let's climb into
We're
the
going
water.
to right?
All right. Gentlemen first.
水大概到这边深度而已。
Okay. Solid ground. Not that deep.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, cut this off. Right.
它才会搞。
Table?
剪掉，然后就剪这样丢在里面，剪外面的剪这样再往上。哦。
What do you do with the roots?
Oh, so she meant like you cut it like this.
Oh, sorry, I cut it the wrong way.
Yeah, me too.
I
See?
kill them. You don't just cut it like you keep a little bit of the roots.
So it's still like in a stem.
Oh, yeah, you keep a little bit of the roots.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So it's together?
Yeah,
Like something like
yeah.
this.
Okay, like
Is
this.
this okay?
Yeah, I think so. 哎呀，这样可以吗？对对对，好，就是让它还一串的。
That's the sort of special thing that we don't like grow vegetables in the water, but we do have a similar vegetable to this wild in the lakes. But we haven't figured out that we can eat it yet, so we should try that, I guess.
Okay, now we're really hungry. We just finished the whole pond. See?
来，请你们吃野莲。
Hey, I don't know. Okay, now we gotta
好，自己夹。
enjoy our food. 阿用講錯，你間工人哋多按用啊。Okay, dig in, dig in.
Oh, we can take?
Yes.
Oh,
So what do you do with this? Do
这
you,
个有丰富的维生素 A 跟纤维哦。
do you fry them or what do you do?
You fry them with, it's pickled soybean. Oh, it's good. It's pickled soybean, and there's like this kind of ginger. Do you see the ginger?
yeah.
It's like chopped into really tiny pieces.
Perfect.
好吃。
Perfect.
那你们慢慢吃，
嗯
先去忙。
Okay.
OK，好，拜拜。
我们慢慢吃哦。拜拜。拜拜。
補充鐵 vitamin A，吸收南部嘅熱光，爆爆發力嘅顏料來到總政府，擺放對客家音樂傳承輕鬆有嘅欣賞。
So now we're in Reno. So this place actually provides atmosphere for artists to do their creation and all that musical composing. And now we're gonna meet a father and a son. So the father plays the urshin, the coconut thingy, and the son plays the flute. And they're actually accompanying each other in making music right now at this moment. So we're gonna take a little look at what they're doing. Fantastic. Okay, so this is Zhong Xingzang. You can call him Zhong Xingzang. And that is his son, Amigo. Xingzang 都在腦海裡講條下
科名嗎？
那叫什麼？吉祥嘅意面係嘛干喎？
音響。
你睇條下吉嘅。
哪個啊？
嗯。
米濃條，哪啲米濃咧？
哦，OK，你喺客家發音喎。
用重點是用客家小調。
客家小調，要
小調，客家小調，真正的客家發音，他們真正是用了一些生命。 先问安讲的。
礼俗那些对吧？融入在庙会啦，文章喜庆那些都有。
那种八音有哪几种乐器啊？
八音唢呐、
唢呐、
二弦，还有
胡弦。
那是可以变来变去的吗？
一个人差不多负责2种乐器。
哦，一人负责2种。
对。
这八音，我们是4个人就。
4个人一团，美浓客家班就很特殊，就是4个人一团。
如果还有嘛该给讲哦，还可以就是有快乐的，像刚刚那首听起来还蛮愉悦的，right？
有啊，有你安有的，我也都冇安静的啦。
冇安静松 ，there those more tense。
听都很好听哦。
冇通用的事情就是不一样的。OK， 那你可以。
因為圖畫會喺度都客家跳跳嘅。
你做隻燈本藝都慘喎。
有件舊嘢嘛，要上路搞啊！客家小小嘅唱唱歌就長冇有啊，半夜送一樣樣。十二嘅故人，因為要思念過，佢到啦，嗰開金山嗰度全部有你客家小跳，你客家嘅八音哦，你嗰時候用到你台語歌啊，喺吹流行歌嘅時間咧用到嘅你啊。
你喜歡昆吉嘅樂器嗎？因為佢係瑞典來嘅音樂家，民俗嘅音樂家。我們昆吉嘅樂器，好嗎？好。Okay, do you want to show Master Dong your instrument? Let me help you out. OK， 那俩哈爱的，你就向他弹那个哪一首歌？合奏。Okay, now you play a song together.
Yep.
Same way I'm Jack. Okay, so he's gonna play a song and then you can join later. Okay.
生也靠唔到兩位外國朋友，而我真係係無國界。
I think it's depending on the chemistry with the musician and the way people listen to each other. Sometimes you're listening in the same sort of wavelength, I guess. It's not it's not like a personal thing in that sense, but it's like sometimes you come in the same wavelength and then it works out.
Also, I think it's the more people you add, it becomes more complicated. That's also one thing. It can become more difficult. Yeah, but it was fun. It was
very much
great
fun
to see them, and they had a great little band, and they had a great chemistry. And
oh, and we love the guy who sang in the end also.
Yeah, had a great voice. Yeah.
Fantastic voice.
Yeah.
韓式嘅對人哋發音啊、譜音冇有興趣啊，所以一進來都教安尼嗰度使用嘅薩克斯風嗰度鋼琴啊，又係小提琴嗰度，爸爸都講啊教安尼冇文化東西，安尼教唔贏安尼外國人啊，所以我係講啊一定要過來學一條個傳統嘅有文化嘅安尼發音。傳統音樂，我不知道他們那種發音，傳統音樂就是有文化的。可是西洋樂器呢，我們再怎麼玩也是玩不過他們外國人，所以我就想說回來，爸爸也年紀，對，
比較大，
所以我現在都開始跟着他們學，
就是一種傳承下來。
對。
I don't know his story, of course. I don't see it as a divisive thing. I think you can make records in pop music and still play folk music whenever you want to. I don't think there's a reason to make a choice. Perhaps it can be in some cultures, but for us, there's no reason to have that division. Like. Folk music isn't a less modern music. It's just as modern music as pop music or any kind of other kind of music. It's just a different kind.
蔡雄先生用字老筆記錄發音，阿明哥接下兩份文化嘅傳承。像大牛講嘅，你做得創作流行音樂，同時未做得搞傳統音樂，定唱係每個人嘅個體目標樣。接下來，我認識嘅樂器係唔係較驚人？無，我哋係會騎上山條離開人群，注意到見一面。
So Daniel, I heard you like really loud music.
Yeah.
We're gonna get
sometimes.
All right, so we're gonna meet another instrument called the Sorna, from Hakka 8 tones.
Right.
And I think you've had a little knowledge about it. It's like really
Yeah, we heard
loud.
it in Turkish music and
okay. What is the Turkish name of it?
Surna.
Sorna.
Yeah.
Okay. So in Hakka we call it tage. Tage. So this is what we're gonna take a look at later. Ming Xin-sang. Hi.
Ooh.
Okay, so we're meeting the Sorna now.
Oh.
Ming Xin-sang ho.
你好。
你這個做乜嘅啊？
呢個係收嘅，花音嘅收。
Oh.
Now the reeds.
Okay, so Woo.
Yeah, wetting it.
See, he's washing how do you call that?
Oh, in tea.
花音的哨，
Frying the salt. So
烧味。
they put it like on top of the sauna, and then they blow it from that little tiny part.
Yeah.
你马上用茶叶啊？
要湿润了，要润了它还是。
It's a double reed. It's like an oboe or like
你磨
bagpipe.
磨湿的阶段。
Yeah.
Oh, okay, take your seat.
Thank you.
先生，记得调下满奶啊！你马上你的那个茶一定要用茶叶啊，总唔得。
没一定用茶去。所以用海南盘係唔用
可以吹。
因為係嘛一個要四倍啊，要不大概就可以。
打回来就可以。它可以让它湿比较久。
磨时间了，磨时间。
Okay, so you see the difference? You see this too, it's different. This one has been soaked in the tea leaves, and it lasts longer for the moisture. And this one is not yet soaked, so it's too dried. Yeah. 好，盖登兄，你俩它你给唢呐黑就是分开来，你要怎么把它组在一起啊？Let's construct our sauna.
你講有人拍光。
This tube. Okay.
有個補
補位。
補位，做因為音量放大。
Okay, so it's just like enlarge the voice of like it's like a.
Oh, you're taking that way.
Oh, okay. 那兩個呢？
一個人人工稍微
稍微。
稍微。我做嘅時節咯，因為你上下冇乜嘅插鹽嘛，所以講話個體上啊，夾白都彈嘅多啲。個尤其嘅拍嘅上嘅時啊，人都會問誒，哪揀嘢有圖形表嘅，哦有按嘅作用啊，人會問啊。快師就冇啦，快師啊，好像快師人過時呢，人會比講啊，哪揀過，哪個已經過時啦，係這樣安嚟啦。因為發音的部分就需要個發散的部分。
發散。It's so loud.
Very good, very good.
而且動態上按用，然後很大聲。Do you want to put your ear like here?
Oh, thank you.
還有一個發音，這個地方也可以。
Okay, so you can either blow it from here or blow it from here.
我一個來講哈，聲音大。
Oh, you can move it. Oh, like a trumpet. Wow.
這也可以聲音。
你跟面。對。
八呢個係3、4、6、7。
哦，so 兩邊還有一個洞。OK，那個音階是按用。
從來啊，啲大係從。
你試試看。So loud.
兩個八度，不過冇得了，不過
Ring ring ring。鼓手兩個就會就是八音的時候會用它 ，so they play the 8 tones with the gongs together all together.
This is very hard. So
give it a try.
What would you play with that? What kind of rhythm? Bing, bing, boom. You did.
I can make a sound from it. Do I have it all the way in my mouth like this?
平常只會用呢，怎麼含那個這個吹嘴？
Oh, okay. He had the thing all in his mouth. I tried to do that, but that didn't work because you have to sort of squeeze the reeds together. So when I had it just halfway out, then I could squeeze it with my. So probably he squeezes with his tongue or something like that. I don't know how they do it.
I think he has more. I used to play the saxophone just a little bit in school, and I think it's you need to have the muscles in the lips.
Wow.
好厲害呢。Okay, you should eat more later. You should eat more. 啊，還有我嘅朋友們啊，兩個鑼嘅哦，鑼嘅係按用怎樣伴奏？
俺的膝盖是哦，我有点那样的。
就是它的节奏是会是怎样？以你说的。
有一定。
等下，我哋控下搞。叮咚叮咚叮叮咚。冇要緊。
大店鋪嘅通路本來上到，廟會地杯兩店大家嘅辣椒上，蹦衝真人就會記嘅。
What do you feel like?
It's like kind of a brisk.
So it would. I think it would be like tuk 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 tuk.
Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
I felt something really contradictional. 先生，我跳下感覺就是兩個歌好像很難過。不過我有聽到唔按用，某個我嘅朋友來，但唔知那個到底係乜嘅意思呢？
一個因為是分平湖平湖呀，人家在開花哈，這個味道很重。
開花的味道很重。
不是開花的時候哈，它有跟那個平埔，不過開花都沒有女生過來，會跟平埔有衝過來。
互相分享自家嘅樂器留音樂，本無強用國家嘅愛調，雖然無法度對話，不過就得用音樂認識對方嘅文化。
先生，記得啊，在他們的文化裡面，他們會那個慶祝死人的結束的時候，記得會老那個人那個彈一種彈開心的歌呢。
好好。
都奇怪，不過我哋我來彈看看，記得會彈本愛調。OK, you can go on now. 你坐在跳舞，記得講嘅。
天后堂啊。
天后堂的，你说的跳舞，那给条讲啊，了解就会一个那个就是当那种很难过的时候，人要死掉，然后很难过的时候结束的时候，你做的跳舞给狗。This is like a cultural shock to us because we feel like always grieving when someone dies.
You can just dance.
I know, we can dance around the tree. Ngày còn ngày đến tốt đấy.
So this is also a polska dancing tune, but very slow.
Yeah.
And of course the melody is kind of sad, but we could use this for. I play this at weddings also.
Yeah.
So you can use it.
你讲那个狗，它也有在那种结婚的时间。
很快。
懂奇怪，ngày
结束了哈。
对。
面对伤死未运用的心情，沙丁音乐带给人力量。记住2點，老外頭嘅文化確實有一啲嘅冇共用。不過音樂嘅書法係共同嘅形式，存在每一個地方。線上有線上嘅朋友，嗩吶佢也有朋友啊。連線上聊下就會帶我哋去認識其他嘅團員，一個流傳鄉間彩體嘅 rock band。
大概就係你所有的團員，對嗎？Okay, the 8 tones and 4 people. I found something really weird. He's like a westernized man. So, 經常做嘅人嚟就講，為乜解你會來就是加入那個客家嘅八音樂？
對八音又是八音啲，嚟學習啦。
哦，
呢個唔曉得啦。
你會感覺懂奇怪嗎？就是有一開始怪怪的。So he felt really weird at first, like joining this group, but then after a while, he felt it's alright. Let's take a look at what is 鑼鼓。
好，唔該。
欣賞你表演一小段。
小叮當啊！哎呀，在小叮當，高音的、低音的，小聲。
High pitch percussion and the drum.
什麼銅鑼？
銅鑼。八種。
有啲人講烹虎。
烹虎。Oh, the fat.
Yeah, the fat.
So this is 古箏. So this is probably not so familiar to you. You can play a bit about it. 欣賞做的，讓我們聽聽看。好。Are you willing to try? Do you want to try? She'll instruct you.
Okay then.
I'll hold this for him and you'll leave it there. Okay.
Yeah, you play on this side and then you.
Oh, he's using his pick.
Yeah. And then do it like.
Ooh.
It's great. In a way, it's similar to the nyckelharpa. I think the sound it creates, it kind of the sympathetic strings of nyckelharpa when notes blend together. It's almost the same with this instrument, but it's of course a completely different technique. I can't really play it, of course, but the sound is something similar, I think.
也总是甲强下嘅摇滚音乐会正经动闹热，味道本痛闹嘅心情调整下来。我嘅天，大家你要来做调位较稳嘅事情。
Seems like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, probably.
Probably. I think what we're gonna do now is actually gonna help us with the rain.
Okay.
Okay.
Have any clue?
So we're making raincoats.
We're making raincoats.
Yeah.
No, actually, it's paper umbrella.
Oh.
Paper umbrella.
Why would you make an umbrella out of paper?
I don't know.
Yes.
We just let it melt and then. So this is the place where we're going.
All right, great.
你好。你好。你好，林太哥。
嘿。
ngài đến nhà hát sống ấy lời cho那个米农嘅纸伞。
嘿。
你嘛该了比那个纸伞为安用嘅出名啊？
好，杂味，其实纸伞以客家话为直接的讲法都讲杂的遮护的遮。所以杂味它是这样子啊，其实伞它是对客家来讲，它是一个很吉祥的东西。好，其实杂味以本身就会一个象形文字。
Okay, so I'm going to introduce you a little bit about the
當過一個年咩？
年就係年 is like human. Human. So that word is umbrella.
就會一個年，如果都唔
兩個年啊，係唔係紙傘？
就當過一個年。
有一個就是那個會多子多孫的意思，對不對？對。Okay, so like people create people.
就是。
So it's like you know like
上面這個人嘛，對不對？這個人。
One man.
就是這個頭，這樣子過來是不是一個人字？
This is the top people, the human being.
OK。長骨跟短骨是不是一個人那個字？
長骨跟短骨。
對。
喂，安陽。哦。
長骨嘛。長骨跟短骨。
So you see the long one and the short one. Do you see similarity?
所以長骨跟短骨是一個人字，對不對
？To the character.
How do I show it? Yes, like this. You see, it looks like this, and then it looks like this.
Yeah.
所以成年禮。爸爸媽媽會送雜嘅本自家會來嘅，推廣硬係當過一個太年嘅，唔對他所有嘅人有雜嘅，就是遮護的意思。
可以，大人可以保護小孩。
保護小孩。
Okay, so it would be like the
很多人的凝聚撐出一個圓滿。
撐出一個圓滿 ，it supports that. You know, the shape round is really important to us. For example, like the table we dined last night, it's round, right? Because Chinese, it's being the shape round is really important for us.
Many people can be round.
Yes, many people could be around. So this is like what he's explaining.
All right.
Okay.
这是一个很吉祥的一个诠释。对，杂。
好。
杂的由来就是这样来。
正批后来我们要去 ，we're gonna decorate， 我们来作画，走吧。
好，里面请。
好 ，OK，let's go。
OK，
谢谢。
So you take a bow before you enter.
It's very nice.
Can I guess you
want to join us?
韓恩愛太太。
Okay, this is his wife. Hello. 你好，你好。
其實一個做商業台。爸爸媽媽傳下來嘅人類嘅工作室，就做人類嘅規模去做一個屬於嘅傳承。其實傘它本身還有另外一種含義，就是傘緣，就是緣分。其實它就是一個廣結善緣。
廣結善緣。If you're gonna meet this umbrella because you have this certain kind of connection to it, and that word means that you're gonna have a lot more connections because of this umbrella, because you're gonna meet so many people because of this umbrella.
Because you want to be under it when it rains?
Maybe, probably, like everyone squeezed under the sun.
雜味本身用嘅製作方式哈，用嘅材料也得就用個高級嘅東西。
高級嘅東西。
所謂個高級嘅東西，像一個雜骨嘅。傘骨哈，雜骨的，它是以行嘅來自中部的 溪头竹山的焖种粽。
都某东西，嘿，就是随便用的嘛。
一个材料也得适合贵口味的东西。当然，每个材料嘅选择哈，行嘅都有老祖先的智慧。
So you know, I know that this thing is not just like random thingy. This is all ancestors' wisdom. So we're gonna have to really make it ourselves and know what's happening. 请上来的董秀恩试试看，到底是密码该他会有这么多智慧，我们想要真的来试试看。
好，发早诶，彩绘，好 ，OK， 好
，Ready，
Great.
Okay, get down to the pen.
Okay. Where is it?
Okay,
take a look. Okay, look 好。
We now have to enter.
做伞的步骤哈，因为其实做起的师傅哈，他有分4大步骤。当然，一个4大步骤，做起的師傅只要學會一項數年，伊都唔會去學第二項嘅，所以為能夠講啊，跟一個雜嘅所有嘅4大項能夠學習完全，能夠跟一個人嘅雜嘅一記聽開始都完成，也是我相當嘅原來，能有辦法去學到一個數年。
Hello. Oh, hi. OK， 那个师母，然后你会讲那个用诶花那个纸伞，
花杂哎，来，这个是 sample， 你们可以
，That is a sample。
哎，你看，是不是这也是可以一个图案呐？哈，
So
来，还有这个
，roll it like that, it's gonna create like those imagine looming thing.
You will be hypnotized.
还有这样子的画法，很多你们自己可以发挥你们自己的创意哈。
欣莎，那个两个杂的啊，它是会防水的吗？
真正用的伞是可以防水但是这个只是好玩而已。
因为记得就是想说很奇怪，为嘛该两个纸做的，你知道防水 ？Okay, so she mentioned this one just like merely for fun for painting. Okay, 冇要紧，我哋就来做法。
OK， 好，来，这4个呢是让你们先染一个底色，你要颜色全部上去都 OK， 或者是单一颜色都可以。这个上完之后呢，等干了，然后我们再来彩绘。
OK。
But so these colors are different from these colors?
No, it's not. If you want to have like a base with the umbrella, then you put on. So what do you think?
Yeah, I want the base.
You want the base? You want the base?
Yes, basic.
You want the base?
Yes. Bring up the base.
Bring up the base. Okay.
好，这边有笔，大大小小哈。
I got completely no idea what to paint.
我可以教你们比较简单的花的画法，好不好？
She's teaching us how to paint flowers.
Yeah, let's paint flowers.
拿你的当示范哦。
好。
其实它很简单，我们就用这个毛笔这样子可以下面稍微撑平一点撑开来。
So you expand it.
对，然后这样子笔尖往笔头这样压。是一片花瓣。
So that's the petal, like one drop, like that.
对，然后压5片，放射状的5片。
5 petals.
1、2、3，这3片是由外往内压，然后这2片呢由内往外压。这样就好了。
So 3 of them you go inwards and the other 2 go outwards. So it looks like that.
所以你可以大大小小。
OK。
有的看不到你就不要画了。这样子，然后那等干的时候呢，你可以先画花，画完干了，然后我们可以用笔尖呢洗笔啦，然后在中间点点点， 莲花蕊就 OK 了。
这是那个油桐花，
对。
Okay, so this kind of flower is like typical for Hakka culture. This kind, it's called 油桐花.
We had a great time. We really like to. It's important to have some time to be able to like just relax and do things that none of us is very good at. It's a good thing. Yeah.
And also when you're doing something and you're a beginner, you have a certain approach to what you're doing. It's very much fun. So maybe it's good to try to keep that, even if you do something the second time or the third time.
It's good.
It's kind of cool to come back to this.
Yeah.
Okay. We're doing this again.
Yeah, okay.
I believe I can. Hold on to it, Daniel.
Okay.
All right.
It's the heat.
It's the heat.
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, the reason because ngày vì mà cái phá là cái chú hay in vì
What are we doing?
You speak first.
What?
I'm not sure what we're doing.
I'm the host of this show.
Comment on your umbrella.
This is my umbrella. It's green with little white flowers on it. And it symbolizes green and little white flowers.
Yes.
So, this is the meaning of this umbrella. Green, white flowers. And also yellow one.
Yes, well put. I agree. That was like a very good analysis of this, the compositions of your painting.
Yeah.
Fine. So for me, I don't really follow that style. So personally, I like to follow the style of brownish paintings with red and white, flowers. Yes.
Yeah, you do the white flowers.
Yes. And this symbolizes the red and the white of flowers that are red and white, and the brown of things that are brown. Yes. So this is mine.
Yes.
I'm quite proud of it.
Yes, it should be.
How about yours?
Mine is like a flat surface of green.
Oh, that's very nice.
With 红色给那个叫什么 stem 树根，还有岩地那个马街，能真嘅唔地，还有那个欣赏花嘅 two flowers 两朵花，yeah.
I like that you use two flowers.
Oh, that's not mine.
That's very good. Yes, two flowers is a very nice expression.
But that's not my painting.
No?
That was the lady's painting.
Ah, but there is two flowers there.
Which one?
Two white flowers. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. She probably add color to my work.
No?
I would say so, because I did. All right, never mind. This is just good. So, whose is prettier? I don't know.
I feel that the composition of the umbrellas is like how it looks together in a. When you take in all of this, it's we have a word for this in Swedish actually, which is triptyk.
Triptyk.
Yeah, we have this as a triptyk of umbrellas.
Yeah.
What is that?
It means three paintings that are
like a trio.
Yeah, trio of paintings.
Oh.
Yeah. This is a wonderful triptych which we made, resembling the green and the brown and the green of things that are green and brown and green.
You're like the main focus here, and we're like the backup singers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, do I know?
This was great fun.
It was much fun.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I love doing this.
Like whole day of work and then a little bit of relaxing.
Yeah.
離開山上呢農一路向南，我哋來到一個四季係春天嘅地方，看到兩條紅色嘅路磚頭，遇到咗公平好談嘅故事，保護當地嘅文化，心肝度灑有一層感通。 向菜档空吹进一阵热情的落山风，糖到烟风存了一阵小伤，小伤中还有热情的伤。等到望远，我看到伊条咧，落山风的声音呢，有乜嘅故事呢？
陈丽萍品尝，看我。然后你们是大家好，我是乐山风的囡仔。
Oh,
That is their slogan of introducing themselves. So, 乐山风的囡仔。Okay. 乐山风, this kind of this is like a kind of wind. It's very special in 恒春，只有在恒春有，对不对？ Okay, so this kind of wind is like a monsoon from northeast monsoon coming from Siberia, the wind, and because it crosses like the mountain range of Zhongyang-Sanmai, we call it like the middle range of Taiwan, and that wind is like blowing like that, and then when it comes back to the south, it drops like that. It drops like very steeply, so we call it 落山风.
Okay.
It's like the Chinese meaning would be like it drops directly from the top of the mountain to the bottom of the mountain. So it's actually very strong. 大概这个风是什么时候会吹啊？
差不多9日咧，8日啦，定9日嘅8日。
哦，像现在。
係而家。
Okay, just like now. So you know it's very windy right away. Right now, I mean. 啊，落山风的英男，你们好。你们要不要介绍一下你们的乐器？
乐器。
你们的乐器。
係手工。
都是手工做，每一个。
係啊，我哋而家恒春嘅上門。
恒春的上門。城門的形狀。Do you remember when we were walking in Hengchun? There were like the gates.
Yeah.
So this is the shape of the gates. Oh.
I like that they can be in different shapes. Yeah, it's cool.
Everyone see, and it's so like everyone has their own carving.
Yeah.
你们要不要介绍一下你们的？啊？这是你的，这是你的阿公，你的阿祖，This is his great grandfather.
Wow.
Whoa.
Cool.
然后你们这个是自己画的吗
That's you. Yeah.
It's you.
找老师画的。
找老师画。Okay, so there's like this teacher here in Hengchun, so he uses like this very hot temperatured pan to do all the drawings and paintings. 那你们每个人都会在自己的上面画画吗？会吼。So they like at the very first sight of having a new moon guitar, the first thing they want to do is like decorate it because it's yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was great to see, you know, the teacher and her students. I think she's doing a very important job. The way these kids, they learn to play this instrument, and also they are learning music, how to express themselves. I think that's such an important thing.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Amazing.
How about
cool,
like
sir.
I thought you were playing along with them.
Yeah, but they need to teach us something.
Oh, right.
But
Then
you
you
played
were
something that you want to learn. And you played something that was like
Step over.
just before they played they played something cool. Yeah, that. Yeah. Let's play that.
客家文化。
乐山风是恒春对以前都人家感冒团高的风，有风又会痛。因为人家讲恒春冇耐哦，因为恒春的乐山风我强多人，我吹你吹也堵唔掉。其实佢咪係一種精神，因為嗰時就係睇恒春歌手是恒春最睇緊嘅一首歌手。但有啲機會都係溜一啲都唔得，嗰時就係新嘢唱歌唱到佢歡喜。而音樂嘅作曲者都係要用到我哋恒春嘅蘇相機民謠。民謠單一篇嘅時節，伊是冇共用嘅聲音，冇相同嘅聲音，佢亂嘅聲，表示等民謠其實有新嘅聲音。嗰種廿七世年呢，喺200人嘅聲音當中，嗰時節真係用弦呢，弦到有5嘅聲音呢。但弦用係咩弦？伊講一定上句唱句響，是弦一定喺唱歌嘅時候句響數句歡喜。佢說樂山風嘅聲音呢，一般人講，剛下哋有到聲音，有到好乜嘅，我用乜嘅名嘅嚟按自己名嘅一團體，然後一陣風下來，咻，佢所有嘅件變。我講家下你好，全部講按到樂山風嘅聲音咧，要係你來。
聽聽樂山風夾定音樂，我哋來到萬族鄉，來請返春民謠嘅國寶，等你下個日歸阿媽。
So she's playing the song we actually heard with the kids playing, but you know it's different kind of expressing because she's been experienced so much in her life. Okay. 阿媽，你彈看看。我拖動啊！你等我開始。你開始，我嚟開始。阿媽，我出東唔掉呢一邊啊！阿媽，你這個大，你家己，就是你家己，你家己車哦。
這攏迄個阮張慧英伊車伊攏來。
他的醫生。
我醫生。
一般人哈，攏用迄種粉呢。
係啊，你安尼
回草，
你安尼家己整甲水水吼。
不是水水啦，
啊無咧，
這老人免水水，這是因為我土地甲有受着阿嬷。講這較袂有票吧？阿姨怎麼阿嬷？
阿媽，我就想要那個我琴要安怎彈？
有你家己摕來，我家己。
你教阮啊！
我佫唱完出來，我佫唱第二首《香港小調》啊。啊，伊毋知，迄個五空啊，了後了咱頭就講話。
She's got one more song to represent. Okay.
我再唱就。
冇問題。
悟空小調。
好，你表演哦。
對啊，對我哋愛唱歌，你別搞我。
She's like, I love singing. You guys, I want to sing. Like that.
五口小調。對啊，我看。
阿媽，為什麼看到那個麗萍老師伊迄個後生啊的那個樂器攏做細支，啊你哪會遮大支？
囡仔啊，我大人。
哦。So I'm
囡仔来做了吼，有较细机啊，一般在做，一个囡仔囝遮小个吼，啊你甲放好停好咱了，也无看到囡仔。哦。所以讲人这做生意的人介巧呢。哦。
恒春民谣更加有得国宝级的阿婆，哈，钟日贵，伊其实伊过享受伊的生活，伊计是一个讲伊命过苦，无好命，毋过伊更加过快乐。伊讲人类哈生命以前有种种的过程，更加可以当作故事充本人读。伊讲哎哟，安尼得的啦，可是感觉伊深度伊人生，不管苦哀甜，皆有伊价值，更加凊彩帮伊唱。伊甲佢欢喜就係呢，伊深度伊價出嚟。
好，我先來哦，好，嘿，我來哈。
好，拜拜，拜拜，
拜拜，
晚點見。
好棒哦！
Okay, fine. I'll just walk away.
One more time, all together.
No, I don't know.
这吼，你拄啊第二吼，哎，你甲讲第二爱一音一音啦。
阿妈搞的明明才2只老虎听听，不过男友们老是跟不上拍子呢。
好棒哦，你咯！
阿媽，你講我一齊話，我一齊。
哦，你好棒嘅，你自己都會啦。
She's demonstrating.
哦，也無看手電的，冷風吹面水，三七八歲陪出家，袂當少年家，個人表示面目白，成家人厝底，小妹問伊驚歹勢，心內大疑惑。家人山，家人山，台北的查某放三歌。你是嫌我面容歹看，也是嫌我做罗就是这样啊。
就是这样。So， 阿媽，你拄啊，迄是啥物？一個翁仔某哦，啊嫌伊啥物收拜哥，啥物物。
啊，家人选择了就是，你是嫌我大苦便当，还是嫌我按做罗毛安怎？
哦。
吃拜到嘛，大姑妈讲，路口歹行话，阿妈望嘞望。
兩位朋友最近個按到你對客家文化嘅體驗以後，等一下就會嗌到用音樂來演述佢哋對客家嘅認識。
We can come back again. It was a fantastic island and so many nice people, and yeah, we liked the typhoon. It was amazing.
It was exciting. Yeah,
it was many,
fun.
Yeah, many nature phenomena on this trip. When we came with the plane, we saw the thunder from the clouds, like just up in the air, and then we came here, and it was the typhoon directly. It was amazing. Yeah, and then sort of seeing the land in its different shapes because of the weather and everything. It was quite interesting.
For me, I think this is one of the great things about being a musician, that you get to travel and really meet real people.
Yeah.
It's the same. Sometimes you're happy, you write a song. You're sad, you write a song.
You can sort of get the idea that music is sort of tied to the ground or like to the land or something, but it's tied to people. It's always tied to people, and people can communicate with each other. So it's quite fantastic, actually.